As you can see on the board, equipotential surface. What is equipotential surface? A surface in electric field having same potential on every point is called equipotential surface. Like this, equipotential surface. What are the property of this surface? Potential is same everywhere, so potential difference between 2 points is 0. Potential difference between 2 points is 0. As potential difference is 0, then work done to move a charge, if we move a test charge from A to B or B to C between 2 points, then work done will be 0. So work done to move a charge from one point to another on this surface is 0. How? Potential difference is 0 between 2 points. So according to definition of potential difference, it is W upon Q naught, or W equals, it is 0, so W equals 0. And third and important, equipotential surface is always normal or perpendicular to the electric field, and vice versa. Electric field is always normal or perpendicular to the equipotential surface. So it is equipotential surface. The electric field is radially outward as charge is on the surface. So this is equipotential surface. And for a uniform electric field like this is uniform electric field. For this electric field, it will be equipotential surface will be YZ plane, because electric field is along the direction of x-axis. These are the equipotential surface. Very important topic this is, and sometime 1 mark question is asked in board exam. Draw equipotential surface for a point charge. For a point charge, how you will draw equipotential surface? Look at here. This is equipotential, another. This distance must be increased. These are the equipotential surface. This distance continuously must be increased. It is for point charge and it is for uniform electric field. So prepare this topic for the purpose of the board exam. Thank you.